nice to see. We're at Oxford Canal near Headington Quarry, and we've got a little open air cooking here with the Jiko. That Jiko is to the right there. And your name is?
Amanda.
Amanda. So tell me a bit about Jiko cooking, Amanda.
Oh, sod off, Russell.
So Jiko cooking is a special East African cooking.
It reduces the need for use of charcoal because it's a more efficient way of heating up.
You know, you could have said that in about 2 or 3 words. This sounds like a sales pitch to me.
And there's massive health benefits because a lot of people are cooking on open fires in their in the house with the roof and everything. This produces much less smoke.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any benefit to inhaling smoke?
No. It helps you die quicker if you haven't got health insurance.
That's it, you see, because this is the sort of people that are. But it's absolutely stunning. Look at this, the Oxford Canal. The sun has been shining actually, it's been coming out. It's very idyllic. And I don't know about you, but I just love the smell of smoke. There's something sort of Neolithic about smoke and an open fire.